Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I just want to talk to you about this Ridgid right here. This is the Ridgid wrench. This one is really good because it's made in the US, unlike the newer ones, or some of the ones that you'll be seeing will be made in China or Taiwan. So you can see right here on the handle it says USA right here, and the regular price for this is $23.58. With a 26% off, bringing it down to $17.38. As you can see from the review, it's like 5-star out of 5, and that's like over 900 reviews right there. So the model number for this is Ridgid 31010 model 10 heavy duty straight pipe wrench. Okay, so this one, even if you find any local like offer up marketplace, you can't even find this low price right here. And if you're working as a plumber or just like a DIY where you need this kind of tool, you know, it'll be good to have it in your toolbox because you never know when you need them. And here is a little bit about the item itself here. Let's see. And they do have like bigger size if you need one, but here comparable to other models and other styles here. So here Ridgid is a well-known brand, and if you follow my channel, you know I love Ridgid, but I'm more like into power tools, cordless and stuff like that. But this is a really awesome deal as I build for what's next. So yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I love to bring the savings to the audience. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave in the comment below. But then take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.